So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to go to the Remote tab. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, on the Remote Desktop, you want to select Allow Remote Connections to this computer. And then tick this box as well. And then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And then select Change Settings. We're going to scroll down till we find Remote Desktop. Scroll down till we find Remote Desktop and Remote Assistance and Remote Desktop WebSocket. Just tick everything here. Just tick these three. And then click on OK. Once you complete both these steps, the problem should be fixed. If they're still not working though, for the second method, you want to go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to expand System Devices. We're going to scroll down until we find Remote Desktop Camera Bus, Remote Desktop Device Redirector Bus, and Remote Desktop USB Hub. We're going to update all these drivers. So you want to right click on the first one, Remote Desktop Camera Bus, Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And you want to repeat that for the other ones as well. Right click, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers. For the last one, right click, update driver, search automatically. Make sure that you have the best drivers. Now you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully they'll fix your problem.